What you thinking about making?
Chicken spaghetti? Does that sound okay?
Cooks al dente in 10 minutes. We ever figure out what al dente means?
What does it mean?
Let's see this premium chicken. Oh, wow. Why are you standing so far back?
Because it's popping everywhere.
Mama, these have been going for like 20 minutes. I think they al dente.
The noodles? I'll turn them off.
Wow.
You want some toast?
I'm going to McDonald's.
No, you're not going to.
You gotta refrigerate that.
Joshua, you do not.
Boom. They got chicken parmesan.
Yeah. That's good.